Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you what not to buy here, and maybe this is just a review of the Skunk2 Pro Series camber kit, because I've only had these on for a couple years and they're already like really worn out, which is very disappointing because they're supposed to be heavy duty, you know, like racing grade, whatever. Look how worn out this joint is here. This is the upper ball joint on the upper control arm. That thing is just, it's gone. Toasty. So and then these up here are worn out too, so you're not gonna be able to see it real well, but yeah, they're sloppy. Anyway, it's hard to get it on camera, but there we go. See how much play we have in there. So these are definitely overhyped and overpriced, and unless you really need the adjustability on the camber here, I would just go with the ones from O'Reilly's, or auto parts store, and get the warranty on it, and then that way you can just change it out when it wears out for a new one without it costing you. But if you do need the adjustability, just plan on having to change these out every, more often than you want to, and these joints too. So anyway, it's too bad. You have expectations and things don't live up to them. So anyway, you can buy the let's see, you can buy the replacement ball joints like I have here. Here's the part number from Skunk2, and yeah, I just marked it with the Sharpie here, and then I'm gonna unbolt these and bolt the new one back on. So it's pretty easy, but unfortunately I got these that are worn out too. So if these weren't wearing out so fast as well, I would say, it's probably okay. It's not the worst thing in the world, because these are so easy to change out right here, and it's not that much difference from the whole new thing from O'Reilly's or auto parts stores. You can get these actually really cheap on eBay as well, like Chinese knockoff ones that probably are about the same quality. So anyway, hope this helps you guys kind of set the expectation of what you're buying. So if you guys know of any better quality ball joints or upper control arms that are adjustable, just let me know in the comments, because I'd like to know. I got the EF hatchback. It's actually a US ED hatchback, but anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.